Hi guys, Nick from HiFi Collective. Today we're going to be talking about the latest new products that we have brought in to HiFi Collective stores. Eddie Kit, amazing products as usual. We've brought in their Phono Stage, which is basically a PCB, can accept moving magnet, moving coil. There's varying degrees of gain that you can adjust. There you go. They're around £40. You do need to have an external power supply for this one. We have done a video on this, so look out for that one. So there you go. Then you got the DAC, which works really well, feeds off your computer, USB into a USB mini B connector. Brilliant, sounds really, really good. And then we've got this super cool TU-H82, which is a hybrid amp. So you've got a valve input stage and then a Class D amp on the output. So that gives you about 8 watts into a 6 ohm load. So it's pretty powerful. It's very small actually, probably a bit bigger than that, but nice clean sound. It has an inbuilt DAC as well, which is quite interesting. You can also feed a 3.5mm jack source into it and also RCA sockets. And also it has a phono out for your headphones. So that's that. Then because of the recent news that Elnes Serafine and Elnes Silmix will no longer be made, we've invested in the Panasonic FMS. So we've got quite a big range of those. These are kind of low cost, but very good quality, low ESR electrolytic caps. Yeah, they work really, really well. So we're gonna increase the Panasonic range as well, because they do very good alternatives to the Silmix. I mean, and Serafines. We have stock of the Silmic and the Serafines, so, but once they're gone, they're kind of gone, which is a bit sad. And then we had quite a big haul of guitar stuff. There was a company that reached out to us with surplus stock. They're effectively shutting down. So we've got the Thomann cases for wooden cabs. So that's a handle one. And then, cool. And then we've got the side handle ones from Adam Hall. So pretty heavy duty for big cabs. There you go. So they just bolt into the side. Also through the company, we picked up some Adam Hall feet. These are pretty robust, quite low cost. We sell them in packs of 4. So there you go. And then you screw them into the cabinet, be it wooden cabinet or metal chassis. So they're cool. And then we've got various switches that they use. A neon red LED main switch. This has a LED built in, which needs a separate supply there. So that's just double pole, single throw. So there's 2 there. And then you've got double pole, double throw there, standard rocker switch. Picked up the new MGs from JJ. These are ECC 83s. There we are. Obviously, the colder weather is coming. So we have the HiFi Collective beanie with pom-pom or without, up to you, different colours. So that's a cool gift for Christmas. We have the Oyade IEC socket. So a very high-end socket with its own palladium plated push-ons, which is cool. And then we have purchased a very large stock of little Demons carbon composite 1/2 watt resistors. So the story with the carbon composites, obviously you've got your Allen Bradleys, which haven't been made for many years, so we have some stock of those. And then there were the Arcols, which are now no longer available. And now you've got the little Demons. So We bought 1,000 pieces of each value on the E24 range. So, yep, that's a great source. I mean, carbon composites are really quite a musical sounding resistor. So yeah, come to us for those. And there you go. I think that's pretty much all covered, but always on the lookout for new product. So keep it locked and watch this space. Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.